Make a great choice today with the 2025 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass, powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.